Minsk nightlife is amazing, but during summertime it's even more fun and active. So today I invite you on a tour of Minsk nightlife with me. We're gonna explore a couple of new bars which were recently opened here, and even we're gonna go and check with you a new sky bar with amazing view of Minsk. So let's start. Oh my god, some mosquitoes. You can't believe, but in Minsk there is a Minsk Sea. I'm right now here because I was thinking that they have today here party exactly on the beach. If you can see, there is a sand under my feet. But when I arrived here, I understood that I was mistaken. This party is going to be tomorrow. But for you just to have the idea that during summertime there is a Minsk Sea, and here they have open airs with music, DJs, everything. Behind me also you can see people enjoying warm weather, you know, and the beach. So if you are here during summer, next summer, I don't know, be sure to check out this place. It is actually called Beach Number 5. And you can see here that people also can eat something, can watch some movies. It's very pleasant atmosphere. It feels like I'm somewhere in Odessa, such kind of vibe. If you think that it's very far from Minsk, it's not. I was driving from Nemiga, it took me around 10 minutes and it cost 15 rubles. So it's very affordable, you can easily come here by taxi. Well, after a not very successful trip to the Minsk Sea, I finally arrived with a quite crazy driver of Yandex. I guess he was from Turkmenistan, but anyway, we made it to Minsk, and I brought you to DoubleTree by Hilton because upstairs on the very last floor, they reopened a beautiful sky bar, which is Bardot. Those of you who have been to Minsk before, some years ago, you probably still remember this place, but now it's reopened after each sky bar. So I'm very curious how it looks like. They say today will be some DJs there playing music, so let's go and look at this. And like always, in front of DoubleTree by Hilton, there are such kind of beautiful, expensive cars. And here is a hotel. I really enjoyed the place. They came back to the concept which they had from the very beginning when they were just opened, and right now this bar belongs to the hotel but not to the casino. So it's more like a lounge, you know, place with Asian cuisine. Very nice. So from DoubleTree by Hilton I went to Galleria shopping mall, which is not operating any longer because it's after 11 p.m. but still we can go through and come to the city back, and from there I guess we're gonna go to Zibitskaya, and there we will check one more new bar.
Ну, по-разному бывает, но в основном мы ходим на Зибитскую, конечно же. Мы тут рядом живем, нам близко.
Классика.
С любимых мест. Ну, Пульс. Мэдмен, там рядышком все эти бары. Мята, любимая мята на Зибитской.
Супер, а какой ваш любимый ресторан?
Мартиник, наверное. И Сова новый, да.
I also want to pay your attention that in Belarus it is not dangerous for ladies to walk in the night. As you can see, they are totally fine. There is no problem with security here, unlike some other countries, as you know. so it is really safe. And now we are crossing the road and moving closer to Zibitskaya street. I guess these girls in front of us, they are going to Zibitskaya, so I'm just following them. And we are on Zibitskaya street, which is considered their party street here in Minsk. As you can see, there are so many bars here, famous Mama Siflera and all other places. But we are just going straight. So Saint Bar is just beside me. They made it really in a nice way. I like the atmosphere. I have been there already previous weekend when I was shooting a walking video of Minsk. Also check out this video on your screen. The bar is really cool, but I have the feeling I came here to Zibitskaya street too early, you know? It's like people just come here like every minute, more and more people, so might be the case it doesn't look like it should be, but I think if you come here after 1 o'clock in the morning it will be better, because nightlife in Minsk starts at 1 a.m.
Только что были в Распутин, очень прикольно, весело, танцевали, классно. Спасибо еще.
Мама Сифлера.
Вот только что нам дали флаеры в Барсук и Барсук. Покажите, девочки.
Тоже классно.
Да. Проверим сейчас, как классно или нет.
Что по ресторанам?
Де Париж.
Да. By the way, my name is Anfisa and I'm from Belarus, so my channel is the best place where you can learn information about my country, about Belarus, also about Minsk, so definitely subscribe. Well, Zibitskaya is always fun, but I guess I'm very hungry, so I gotta show you one hidden place where locals love to eat shawarma. I would not recommend you to eat on Zibitskaya. You can do that, of course, if you're super hungry, but if not, let's walk a little bit. Подскажите, а можно мне стандартную? Стандартную можно? Говорят, у вас самая вкусная шаурма в городе, да. А вы откуда сами? Из Пакистана? Серьезно? Класс вообще. Я очень мечтаю тоже побывать там. Но вы уже давно в Беларуси, да? Сколько лет? Много, скажите, да? Но это ваше место? Нет, вы здесь работаете, да? А кто хозяин?
Азербайджан.
Азербайджанец? А у вас здесь жена белоруска? Вот так. На ютубе будете. Ребята, правда тут вкусная шаурма?
Да,
Очень вкусная, да?
реально.
Года 2 назад я сюда каждую ночь ходил.
Вы даже не поправились.
Спасибо.
Here is our shawarma standard, some water. Thank you so much. Спасибо большое. Спасибо. More people are coming for shawarma in the night. Okay, it's time to eat. It's perfect. So Anfisa, Belarus are really in a hidden place, under Paprika. There is this one, Paprika 24, so it works non-stop, and here you can get one of the best shawarma in the city. Finally, I reached my destination, Sava. I think it was opened last year, really cool place. Now I can see that they opened a terrace. People already enjoying the time, so let's get in. Well, guys, what should I say? Probably it looks like Sava is #1 bar right now in Minsk. I didn't expect that. I knew it was cool, but I really was not thinking that it's so popular. But my plan was actually to show you another new nightclub, which is actually opening tonight for the very first time. And the name, if I'm correct, was Astra Club. But let's give some time to this club because I checked on Instagram, doesn't look like they have guests yet. So later I will show you. If you was enjoying this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and go and check another video from Minsk on your screen.